Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here in the outdoor testing studio because I've taken up a new hobby of 3D printing. And when you do 3D printing, it leaves lots of garbage on the edges, and I was told a hot knife would be the way to clean it up. So I bought this kit, not sponsored, bought this kit. This is the kit right there in the handle. You can see there. Let me tell you exactly what this kit listing says. It says 22 pieces hot knife cutter tool kit, including heat cutter, multi-piece stencil cutter, 16 blades, 4 blade holders, metal stand, blah, 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 blah. Nowhere does it say soldering iron. So this is just the basic soldering iron where they've included some additional tips on it. I'm not sure if that's going to be too hot. I thought it was going to have an adjustable temperature, that kind of stuff. I could be wrong. I'll open it up. I'll see what it is. So that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to open it up, set it up. We'll try to trim this up, make it look a little better. And then I'll come back, I'll give you that Doug score from 1 to 5, a legit Doug score because I bought this. I'll let you know how good it is or if it sucks. All right, let's do that. This is the fancy stand that comes with it. I didn't expect a fancy stand, but this is about as unfancy as fancy is gonna be. Here is the soldering iron, otherwise known as hot knife. Okay, so here we are. I will say I have assembled my soldering iron into like a crazy nasty looking knife now. Also, I will say the way this is packaged, very hard to get these blades out of these things without slicing yourself. But okay, there's smoke coming off of it, so I believe that means it's hot. Ooh, it is working. That's pretty cool. Most definitely is very effective for what I wanted it for, which is cleaning up the excess on my 3D printed stuff. And look, you can really see. Look how burnt that is, and look at the smoke coming off of it. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna unplug it. I'm gonna have to say this is definitely an unexpected good result. I'm gonna have to say, although it doesn't seem to be what it was going to be, it is really kind of terrible the way some of the stuff is packaged. It did work first shot out. So I'm gonna give this a solid 4 out of 5 on the Doug score and say, seems weird, but it works. Okay, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.